Pu-erh tea holds a special place in the world of tea lovers. Originating from China's Yunnan province, it is a unique and distinct type of fermented tea. Made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, Pu-erh tea is highly valued for its rich flavor and numerous health benefits. The fermentation process gives Pu-erh tea its characteristic earthy and mellow taste. It undergoes microbial fermentation, which helps develop complex flavors over time. The tea leaves are gathered, dried, and then aged, allowing the transformation to occur. The longer the aging process, the more intricate the taste becomes. One of the remarkable aspects of Pu-erh tea is its potential health benefits. It is believed to aid digestion, boost metabolism, and support weight loss efforts. Pu-erh tea is also known for its cholesterol-lowering properties and antioxidant content, which may contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Furthermore, Pu-erh tea is appreciated for its ability to improve mental alertness and focus, making it a preferred choice for many tea enthusiasts seeking clarity and concentration during their daily routines. In conclusion, Pu-erh tea stands out as a fermented tea with a distinctive flavor and a range of potential health benefits. Whether you enjoy it for its taste or its potential positive effects on your well-being, Pu-erh tea is a fascinating and rewarding choice for tea lovers worldwide. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all my latest content. I have a variety of playlists covering a wide range of topics, so there's something for everyone. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released. Reach a wider audience.